Imagine a land where steam rises from the earth at every turn, painting the cityscape with mystical white veils. This is Oita Prefecture, lovingly called Onsen Prefecture, the hot spring capital of Japan. Here, in the eastern part of Kyushu Island, Oita claims both the greatest number of hot springs and the highest volume of thermal water in all the country. On the map of Japan, look to the northeast of Kyushu. Oita hugs the coastline, facing the expansive Bungo Channel. Step into Beppu, a city wrapped in perpetual clouds of steam, where the extraordinary begins. Beppu is renowned for its Jigoku-mushi, the Hell Tour, a collection of otherworldly hot springs with colors so vivid they seem touched by magic. From the piercing cobalt of Umi Jigoku to the striking red of Chinoeki Jigoku, each pool is a living painting, boiling and bubbling in a display found nowhere else in the world. Venture further and find Yufuin. At dawn, mist gently drapes the scenic Kinrinko Lake, their surface shimmering with gold as hot spring water seeps up from the depths below. In winter, the lake is veiled in ethereal fog, creating a tranquil dreamscape where silence is only broken by the call of a distant bird. Yet Oita's allure is not limited to its waters. Here, you can savor the art of Jigoku-mushi cooking, a local delicacy where fresh seafood and vibrant vegetables are steamed in geothermal vapor. This healthy and sustainable gastronomic experience is a feast not just for your taste buds, but for your senses as you watch the food cooked by nature itself. For those seeking both detox and relaxation, sand bathing awaits along the coast. Let gentle, warm sand envelop your body as the sound of rolling waves lulls you into serenity, every grain carrying away fatigue and tension. High above, the Kokonoe Yume Otsurihashi pedestrian suspension bridge offers Japan's loftiest walking adventure. From 173 meters above the ground, gaze across panoramic valleys and unbroken forest, the wind softly carrying the scent of pine and adventure. Oita is also home to experiences unlike any other. The African Safari invites you aboard a jungle bus where you can hand-feed lions and giraffes, delighting visitors from across the globe. In Beppu, centuries-old bamboo craft flourishes, artisans weaving tradition and innovation into exquisite souvenirs and contemporary art. The ancient Usuki stone Buddhas stand silent on rocky cliffs, over 60 remarkable figures carved directly into the stone, recognized as a national treasure. Their origins shrouded in mystery, the stone faces seem to watch over Oita's people and visitors, guardians of an ancient faith. No journey to Oita is complete without tasting its signature flavors. Try tori ten, golden tempura-style fried chicken, crisp and juicy. Or savor the famed sekiaji and seki saba mackerel, raised in the converging tides of the Bungo Channel, each morsel a testament to the region's rich natural bounty. But beyond all sights and tastes, Oita's true spirit lies in its hot springs. Here, bathing is not a mere routine, it is a ritual, connecting you to the earth's ancient energy and the warmth of its people. Oita invites you to cleanse your mind and body in the floating mists, to discover a unique kindness in every encounter. Welcome to Oita, the land where steam and tradition intertwine, a place overflowing with nature's gifts and unscripted moments of wonder. Experience the warmth of Japan you never knew existed, in a city where every rising plume of steam tells the story of healing, hospitality, and hidden beauty.